Welcome to another episode of Backyard Texas Barbecue. Today I'm making smoked cowboy baked beans. So my name is Kristen, and every Friday I share with you an easy barbecue recipe that you can just make in your backyard. So today I'm making smoked cowboy baked beans. Now I love using my pellet grill as like an oven. It gets that delicious smoky flavor without a lot of work. So today I'm showing you how to make my cowboy baked beans, and then we're gonna smoke them right inside my pellet smoker. So come with me and I'll show you how to make this perfect side dish for almost every barbecue.
I'm gonna start with 6 pieces of bacon all chopped up into small pieces. Now my skillet is set to medium-high heat and I'm just going to cook them until they're brown. Now while that's starting to cook, I'm gonna hurry and chop up an onion and just throw it in with the bacon. So I'm just gonna stir that around a little bit and just let the onions cook until they're fragrant and a little bit browned. Oh, that looks perfect. Then go ahead and turn off your stovetop while we get the rest ready. So I have 1 can of pork and beans that I drained some of the liquid from. And then also chili beans, 1 can of chili beans that I also drained most of the liquid. And then 1 can of black beans. Next I'm gonna take these chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And these are pretty spicy, so I opened them up and I'm just gonna use 2 of them because I have kids who need to eat this and it has a little bit of kick. If you like a lot of spicy, go ahead and chop them all up. It will make it taste amazing. Now on top of that, I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of brown sugar and then about 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. Now I'm going a sweeter barbecue sauce because I like my beans a little sweeter. And then for your last step, just add the bacon and the onions that we've already cooked. Just dump them on top of everything. So now we're just going to mix it up very carefully so it doesn't overflow your 9x13 pan. Now because this is going in the smoker, you can use an aluminum foil pan, but I have a special pan that I like to smoke my food in. So this is my special smoker pan because it will have a little bit of smoke smell to it, but that's what I cook everything in. And now that the beans are all ready to go, I just flatten them out a little bit, and then I'm actually going to cover this with foil. You don't have to cover it with foil, I just like to. So cover it with foil and then it's time to stick it into the smoker. Now today I'm using my smoker as an oven, so I set it to 350 degrees so it's all ready to go, and I'm just placing it right on. Now I'm using a Camp Chef pellet grill because you can set the temperature so easily. So we're gonna cook this for 40 minutes. Now when it's all done, go ahead and lift it out and it will smell amazing. So let's just peek on this. Oh my goodness, if you could see that smoke coming out. Oh, it smells so good. Now these beans are the perfect side dish for literally any barbecue recipe. They're so easy and so good.
All right, you guys ready? Let's try it out. This smells so good. Thanks so much for joining me today. So if you're looking for another perfect side dish for any barbecue, I have some creamy coleslaw right up there. Or if you're looking for what kind of smoker that I use the Camp Chef smoker, and I have a video about it right there. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next Friday.